In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Steam running on your Mac. First things first, go ahead and Google Steam Download, or just head directly to store.steampowered.com. Once you're there, look for the generic Install Steam button at the top header, or the one right in the middle of the page. The browser is smart enough to detect your OS, so it should automatically show you the version for Mac OS. Just go ahead and click that Install Steam button to grab the installer. Once that's done downloading, open up your Downloads folder. You'll see a file named steam.dmg. Double-click on that to open it up. Next, simply drag the Steam logo into the Applications folder icon right next to it. And just like that, Steam is installed. Now, check your desktop. You'll see a virtual drive icon for Steam. Go ahead and select it, then hit Command-E to eject that drive and keep things clean. Alright, let's launch it. Hit Command-Space to pull up Spotlight, type in Steam, and hit Enter. Since this is the first time you're opening it, macOS will ask if you trust this app downloaded from the internet. Just click Open. You might need to wait a few seconds here while it updates to the latest version. Once updated, the login window will pop up. Enter your account name and password to sign in. If you're new to Steam, just click the link at the bottom to create a free account. If this is your first time signing into Steam on this Mac, a verification code will be sent to the email address linked to your account. Check your email, copy the code, and paste it here. Now for the fun part, let's install a game. I'm going to head over to the free-to-play section to find something quick. While you're browsing, keep an eye out for the operating system icons. You want to see that Apple logo, which means there's a Mac version available. However, here's a heads up. If you are using a Mac with Apple Silicon chips, from the M1 all the way to the M5, seeing the Apple logo doesn't always mean it will work. That's because Apple dropped support for 32-bit apps a while ago. A lot of older games on Steam are still 32-bit, so they won't launch on your machine. So just double-check the system requirements. Once you hit Install, you can check the progress in the Download Manager. When it's done, just hit the big green Play button. Or, you can always use Command-Space again to search for the game directly. And that is how you install Steam on Mac. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.